Hello, in this video we will show you how to earn some extra Dogecoin by doing offers, watching PTC ads, solving shortlinks, claiming faucet or with auto fast coin. This site has paid over 616,539 Doge. It has over 57,000 users, 2,100,000 faucet claims, 264,000 offers completed and 320,000 shortlinks visited. You can earn daily by watching over 10 PTC ads, faucet rolls where you can win up to $100, doing offers on offer walls, winning lottery, solving captchas, visiting shortlinks or by playing dice and toss game. Here are some recent payouts. This is how the dashboard looks like. You have there many infos such as your current balance, the current exchange rate of Doge and more. You can earn by claiming faucet every 5 minutes where you can win up to 30,000 bits. Visiting shortlinks, watching PTC ads where the amount of reward is based on the length of the PTC. Doing jobs where you can earn up to thousands of bits, solving captcha where you get 1 bit for every 20 captchas solved, and lastly for doing offers on offer walls. They have offer walls such as AdGate Media, Agem, OfferToro and more, total of 20 offer walls. They also have referral system where you get 10% of every faucet claim, 10% of offers completed and 5% of shortlinks visited by users registered under your link. There are also many contests running every month as referral contest, shortlinks contest and offer walls contest. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments and you will get answer. If you want, leave a like and subscribe. Enjoy and have a good day.